Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a Chrysler Group certified 2017 Jeep Renegade Trailhawk 4-wheel drive. Stock number B97438. Only 8,000 miles on this one owner. Local trade. Clean auto check history report. We sold this Renegade brand new. Black in color. To be Chrysler Group certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 125-point inspection. Give you the balance of a 3-year, 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Seats 5. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Backup camera. Lots of cargo space in the rear. And not only low miles, but very clean. No dents or dings in the body. This Trailhawk has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors. Start. Large, easy to read gauges. Again, only 8,000 miles with driver information system. Controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Easy to operate touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. You can connect various media devices. Navigation. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Heated seats as well as heated steering wheel. Heating and air conditioning. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect mobile media devices. 4-wheel drive, giving you the greatest capability no matter what the surface. 9-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest. And a large glove box with all the owner's material. Under the hood, this Renegade has the 2.4-liter 4-cylinder, 180 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates, an average of 21 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 29 on the highway, and approximately 65% of the tire tread left. Don't forget about that Chrysler Group certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.